Hey YouTube, hi, my name is Mark and this is Nixon Motorsports. This channel is all about motorsports, from racing to exotic cars and even simulators. You know, we focus a lot on our racing program, and a lot of our videos are around products and ideas and things we learn in racing our Formula 1000 race car. But today is a fun day. Today is exotic car day. We're going to drag you along. We're going to show you our Arizona garage. More importantly, we're going to show you our Jaguar F type that we have. The fun thing we're doing today, we're going to be upgrading the wheels and tires on this car from our previous 18-inch rims to 20-inch wheels with nice Pirelli P-zeros. And then we're going to get the car on the track. We're going to go out for a drive. That's it for today. So I want to bring you along so you can experience this with us. So let's get with it, all right? Come on. Okay, so this is the 2017 Jaguar F type that we have here in our Arizona garage. Just let me do a little walk around for you. I have it up on stands at the moment, and I'll explain why here in just a second, but do a quick little walk around on this car. Now this is the V6 version. It is not the V8 for all of you who are asking or thinking about it, but it's still 370 horse roughly. Nice little car, supercharged if you don't know that. Come around here at the back. You know, so these F-types are actually a very, very good looking car, in my opinion, my wife's as well. So this is the car. These are the original wheels that this came with, and well, we're gonna upgrade. We're gonna upgrade just a little bit. So I'm putting 20-inch rims on it. We're gonna go pretty wide on the rear and front, actually, about as much as we can do with this thing. It should change the look quite a bit. So let me scroll over here. Here you can see the black gloss rims that we're using. So that's for the rear of the car. And if I scroll over here, here's the front. Pretty cool. I'm waiting for my TPMS sensors that I'm going to put in before I can get these mounted. But anyway, here's the set of tires. These are the Pirelli P-zero. I seem to be using a lot of those these days, but it is what it is, right? So the fronts are 225s. Let me see what I put on the rear. I don't recall. So the rear are, yeah, 295s, 30 R20s, okay? Should be a nice little look on this thing. So let me get these wheels off, get the TPMF sensors mounted. I'll show you how we do this on the way. It's not that big of a deal. Get them on the car, get it on the ground, see what it looks like, take it for a test drive, okay? Okay. A little humid out here. Typical monsoon season in Arizona this time of year. So let me scroll over the car and show you. So I got the original wheels and tires off. So we'll just roll around here. You can kind of see what that looks like. Nice big rotors on the front, that's for sure. And if I scroll over here, let's look at the tires really quick. So here are the fronts. So this is the original wheel and tire 18-inch rims that were on the car, and these are the new 20-inch Pirellis that are going on the car. So you can see a little bit of width difference, roughly same height. Here's the rear, again original on this side, and here are the new 20-inch. So if I stand back, you can kind of see the difference. Just a little wider, roughly same overall diameter of tires. So I think they'll look good. So with these new wheels, I'm actually installing new TPMS sensors, and you know, instead of trying to worry or deal with any issues in programming the Jaguar itself, again, this is probably an easy thing to do, but I thought, you know, why not? So I actually purchased a smart sensor product that allows you to actually scan, read your original sensors and reprogram or program brand new sensors that they manufacture. So the codes and the IDs and everything, the frequency and such for your vehicle will be identical. So that's what I'm doing. I think it's kind of cool. Let me just scan down here. I can show you. So this is the programmer itself for the sensors, right? And if you can kind of see this here, you have an arrow where you actually line that up next to your sensor on the wheel, and then you hit scan, and then you drop these guys in like that, if you can see it, and that's in the cradle there. That's how you actually program the brand new TPMS sensor to match the one that is in your car. So it's a way to clone it. Pretty cool. So anyway, I'll get these on the wheels and we'll see what that looks like. Just I want to scan over here really quick just to show you. So I actually, this is one of the rear wheels. There's no tires on it yet, but kind of give you a little preview. Man, I think it's going to look awesome. So anyway, let's get these tires mounted, get it on the car. Take a look, all right? Hey YouTube, hi, it's Mark. So we got the wheels and tires mounted. I think it looks great. Now this is the Jaguar, the F-Type that we talked about. Let's bend down, let's check out the car. Let's see what it looks like, all right? So here is our car. Let me go just pan around here a little bit. Now check out these wheels and tires. Don't those look awesome? So 20-inch rims, front and rear. And I put 295s on the rear of this thing. I think it looks great. P-zeros, Pirellis. Let's go up to the front. Yes, that looks awesome. Well, I think so at least. Okay, let's pan around the car just to give you a visual. I need to buff the paint out. Just some basic touch-up items. Quite nice. Here, let me spin around the back of this thing. Everybody who sees these F-types, most everybody will go, oh my God, look at the rear of that car. It just looks awesome. I kind of think so too. But yeah, check out those wheels. Very nice. So you can see the stance, kind of the look of the car. Quite nice, right? I think so. So we got the wheels on and tires on the car. Let's take it out for a spin. Let's see what this thing's like. All right, come on. So sitting in the Jaguar, this 2017, and fire this thing up. Let's see what this thing looks like, okay? As it's just booting up. Let's see what this thing feels like. Wow, actually the initial feeling, yeah, the car, wow, you can tell it rides different. Very cool.
So this is push button.
So we'll take this thing for a little drive, bring you along, and for those of you who haven't been up in Arizona, this is an area called Oro Valley. It's kind of north of Tucson. This, if you can see any of the mountains here, this is Push Mountain. Top of the mountain, I think it's about 9,000 feet, roughly thereabouts. Pretty cool. And anyway, let's get back on the car. So, this is, as I've mentioned a couple times, a 2017 Jaguar. This is the F-Type. and this is the V6 version. It's not the V8. The V6 is supercharged, though, just like the V8 engine. We have automatic with paddle shifters in this thing, and you know, the V6 supercharged. Look, it's 370 horsepower. These things get on it. You know, what I think's so noticeable with these things is it's almost instant power. You know how the turbo powered cars, you know, like our last, you know, 911 is an example. They're fast, and they've improved that kind of leg when you first stick your foot in it, but there's still that inherent pause or lag that you have with a turbocharged engine. These things are on it immediately, and you know, a lot of people who have these F-types, you know, they'll say things like, you know, this is very much like a modern day muscle car that many of us used to have. So let's just get it down the road here, see what this thing feels like with these new wheels and tires. I gotta say, my first impression, very nice. Yeah, very nice. Yeah, and the sound of these things too is it's pretty cool. The only negative I have, or you know, we do for this particular F-type is we don't have a rear camera. So, look, I know it's a sports car and we shouldn't have to think about those things, but man, you get used to the technology, you know, and it's really hard not to have it. But some of the models have them. I think if I'm correct, I think it's 2018 or 2019's and newer. It's just all standard, but the previous years, like this one, you had to request that to be added. Now, this is not a rear engine or mid-engine car like you know, our Ferrari and you know, the Porsche and so on. So it is a front engine mounted sports car. It's still it's an awesome car though. So we're just doing a little drive up through the back area here, push mountains. You know, a lot of people, you know, I've heard people talk about, you know, the Jaguars and maintenance and, you know, all those kind of issues. We haven't had any trouble. That, you know, knock on wood, hopefully we won't. But, you know, I think Jaguar, you know, the years past, that used to be my my thought as well. You know, I think it's way past that. These cars are fantastic. You know, and they look as intense as they drive and sound, so pretty cool stuff. So I thought I would stop for a minute, just do a little walk around, showing you the car sitting out here, you know, in the hills of Arizona. And so let's do that. Let's go take a walk around in this car. And again, if I pan up, you can see you know, the mountain ranges here in Ore Valley. So again, I like these tires. I think the 20-inch wheels, the black rims, the nice Pirellis, I personally think it looks quite nice. And If I roll over this way, you kind of see the rear of this thing. Again, these things look so nice. I think, you know, the rear stance of these F-types and the lines on these cars are fantastic. So let's just roll around. I'll give you both sides of this thing. So, you know, let me know in your comments what you guys think about this upgrade in the wheels and tires. Hey YouTube, hi, it's Mark. So that's the video for today. You know, taking out the Jaguar F-Type. You know, with these new wheels, I don't know about you, but I think the new profile, the new look, visually the car looks awesome with these 20-inch rims. So I'm really excited about that. The drive and the feeling, you know, the car is very nice. Now this is not the V8 as many of you know, right? But you know, the V6 supercharged motor in these things, don't forget, I mean, there's still 370 horsepower. You know, it's 911 type of performance. But anyway, I hope you enjoyed the video. And that's it for today. Take care. We'll talk to you soon. Ciao.